dot taking with test scripts. Okay. After that, we will take care about one more particular package that we will be taking with com dot hrms dot considering the utility. So in this way, you need to be get coming up with in creating that particular respective package. We need to be get take care about. We need to be get take care about in creating that particular respective packages. After that, we need to take care about in creating the respective class that we will be taking with the class considering the login page. One will be taking with the one class name considering the login page. In the same way, we need to take care about in creating one more class that we will be taking with logout page. One will be taking with login and then taking with logout. Add employee page. I mean, not like all the classes in one single shot. The way of test cases you are automating. The way of test cases you are automating based on that particular test cases you need to begin coming up with in creating that particular respective classes. So in that the one you will be taking with verify respective classes. Continued with the same, we got test script. That particular test script you will be taking with your actual test cases considering the test case 1, and then you will be taking with which you will be taking with one more class considering the test case 2. Solve that particular automation script. What exactly the scripts you want to automate it, you need to be get take care about in maintain that particular folder. Continued with the same, taking with utility. Under utility, you can take care about the log.java. At the time of implementing that particular log4j, you can take care about log.java. For now, I'm just taking care about mentioning the base class. So in this way, we are taking care about in providing that particular respective folders and then the respective files. Along with that, we have to take care about following the standards. We need to take care about in following that particular respective standards. I mean, if I'm taking with this particular login page, what we are maintaining here? What you are maintaining? All objects and taking with functions. We got maintaining all objects and functions. In the same way, logout, what you are maintaining? All objects and functions. Considering that verify page, what you are maintaining here? verification methods. We are taking care about verification related functions. In the same way, taking with base class, what you are maintaining here? Driver reference. Along with that, open application. Along with that, close application. So in this way, we are taking care about in maintaining all that particular respective standards. That is what we are mentioning the concept of framework. As part of framework, what is the meaning of the framework? Creation of folder structure with standard rules. So according to that particular project or based on that particular client, based on that particular client or based on that particular project, you need to be take care about in providing that particular respective standards here. So we need to be take care about in following with that particular respective standards and need to be take care about in continued that particular respective POM. Let's take care about in continued in the same way. If I'm taking with this particular standards, we need to be followed. Now, as usual, we have to take care about in designing automation script. On which basis we can design the automation script? Based on manual test cases. According to that, if you want to start work with Selenium, what do you record? What do you record? jar files. Based on jar files, what you can access? What you can access? Package. Based on package, class. Based on the class, method. Use of the method to perform action followed with the same. As it is, you need to take care about in followed with the same, that you will take care about in adding that particular jar files. You need to take care about in adding all that particular jar files. You have to take care about adding with the jar files available in inside of lib folder and taking with outside of lib folder. Along with that, as we are taking care about testng, related to testng, we required in a jar file. What is a jar file? Testng. Along with testng, we are taking care about J commander. So related to that particular project, what exactly the jar files has been required. Related to that particular project, what exactly the jar files has been required. You have been added that particular respective jar files here. Now, as it is, followed with the same. Let's continue on that. Taking with base class. If I'm taking with base class, what do you have to maintain here? Driver reference, open application, close application. Let's see that how we can do. As usual, providing the driver reference, WebDriver, driver. Okay. Giving an error. What need to be done? We need to import that particular respective package. As usual, this driver reference, are we using only this class or whole project? Whole project. This driver reference need to be applicable for whole project. Because of that, consider as public. Next, regular thing, open application, writing the method, taking with method name, open application. If you want to open the application, what are the steps need to be done? No. What are the steps need to be done? Launching the browser, enter the URL. Concept of open application, launching with the browser, enter URL. For launching the browser, what is the statement? Yeah. So I need to write WebDriver here. Okay. Driver equal to correct. Is this correct or not? Then what I need to do there? So now this is your lines of code. Is this correct or any modifications need to be done? What I need to do? Which WebDriver in which line? Line number. So we already mentioned that particular driver reference doesn't require again need to be get provide that particular driver reference. Okay. Now need to enter URL. To enter URL method name. What is it? Navigate.to. One we can go with navigate.to. What is another method? Get URL. So according to tester comfortable, it can go with navigate.to or it can try with that particular get URL. And then I'm writing one statement considering the reporter dot log. What is the use of the statement? Printing the statements in log file or HTML? Printing the statements in log file or HTML file? Log file, HTML file, both files are. Printing the statements in HTML report, that reporter.log related to the test-ng, that is related to test-ng, which it will print with the statements in HTML report. Okay. Mention the application open. Similar to that, taking with one more method that will be taking with public void, considering the close application. So need to be get provide that method. Now here we need to utilize the method name. What are the method names? What are the method names? Method name. Yeah. What are the methods they got? Close method. One more. Quit method. So we can work with close method or taking with quit method. Okay. Taking care about printing with the statement mentioning the application closed. Okay. So in this way, we need to be get take care about in providing all that particular required methods. Now, what I'm doing is the whole framework, I'm just considering everything as static. All the things I'm just making as a static. The reason, advantage of static methods, what is it? No need of to create any object. Without creating the object, how we can access static methods? By using class name. So by using class name, we can take care about in accessing with static methods. Because of that, I'm not provided as regular methods considering the static methods. Okay, this part is done. We got base class. In base class, we provided driver reference and then open application, close application. So we got mentioned that taking with open application and close application. Done. Next, taking care about login page. If I'm taking with login page, now in the login page, what you are maintaining? Objects and functions related to login page. So we are taking care about in maintaining related to login page. So as part of login, I can take care about the login activity. To perform the login as usual, what are the objects we required? Related to login, what are required? Username text box, password text box. What is it? Login button. Okay. Continued with the same. See that. Everything I'm just consider as static. Okay. Taking care about that particular txt, considering that login name, which will be taking care about login name. Okay. Equal to, you will be taking with by dot, that will be taking with name. So if I'm taking the text box, what is the name of that? txt username. Okay. In the same way, static txt, considering that password, taking care about by dot name, need to be get provide txt password. Okay. After that, static by, that is button related to login, equal to by dot taking with name, need to consider that submit. Okay. Now, as part of login, so related to that particular login page, in the login page or related to login page, what are all the activities you want to perform? You have been taking care about in defining that particular respective objects here. Okay, done. Next, writing that particular method, taking care about public, everything I'm taking with static, mentioning the method name. What is the method name? Login. For this method, I'm passing two arguments considering the username and taking with password. So we are taking with method name. What is the method name? Login. For that login, how many arguments we are passing? Two arguments. What are the two arguments? Username and password. So now to perform the login, I need to take care about in writing that particular step. So login means what are the steps need to be done? enter related to login method, enter username, enter password, click on login button. So that steps need to be done as part of taking with login here. Okay. Now I can see that. So need to be get take care about in considering this particular method. Okay. Now let's take care about in performing that particular step. Let's see that. So if I'm taking with this particular step, if I'm considering this particular step, let's say that to enter that username, what is the statement I need to write? Driver dot, where is find element? We need to write driver dot find element, but I'm not getting the access of find element. What need to be done? Driver I written. Online students, I need to take care about that find element. For that, I need to write driver dot. I mentioned driver dot, but not giving an access. If I want access, what I need to do? Oh, the driver only. Inheritance. What I need to inherit? Extends. Okay, extends of Y base class. If I'm taking with this particular base class, in the base class, what we provided? Our main driver reference available in base class. The main driver reference available in base class. Because of that, we need to take care about in doing inherit of that particular base class. Okay, but giving an error, import the package. We need to take care about, import that particular package. Now we can see here. Driver dot, we got find element. By dot, we are already defined it. Because of the framework, we are maintaining the objects as a different part and methods as a different part. Whenever it is required, we can access or we can call that particular by statement. Because of that, we mention or define this by taking with login name dot, what is it? Send case of send case of username. Then you will be taking with driver dot find element, taking with txt password, considering dot mentioning dot send case of password. Then you will take care about driver dot find element, considering dot button dot taking with click activity. For the confirmation, taking care about reporter dot log, printing with the statement mentioning that login completed. So in this way, related to that particular page, according to that page, whatever that objects and whatever that particular methods has been required, we need to take care about in maintaining. So in the same way, we need to take care about considering the logout page. If I'm taking with logout page, again, what we have to maintain here? Objects and functions. So related to that particular logout, we need to maintain that particular objects and functions. See that. So in that, we need to take care about, as usual, considering the static, taking with by link, taking with logout, equal to considering that by dot link text. What is that link text? Which I will be taking with logout. Then I need to write the required function public taking with static void considering that logout. So need to begin write that statement. To perform logout, what we need to write? Driver dot. What we need to do? Considering the extents of base class. Okay. Giving an error, we need to import that package. Now we can see driver dot taking with find element link underscore logout dot taking with click activity. Need to begin provide that statement considering that logout completed. So according to the test cases you are automating, based on the test cases you are automating, according to that, you need to come up with writing the required function. Similar to that, I'll take care about in having verify page. So if I'm taking with verify page, what you are maintaining here? Verification related functions. These verification activity related to whole application, related to the whole application. So related to that particular whole application, what exactly that particular verifications need to be done, you need to take care about in writing that particular respective method. So as usual, we'll take care about writing one method, taking with static void, considering the verify title. Okay. So for this particular verify title, taking care about string title. So for that method, we need to be get mentioned that taking with that particular one. So we need to be get take care about, we need to take care about in providing that particular respective method. Further, the same thing I can follow writing the condition considering that to retrieve the title. What is the method name? To retrieve the title, method name get title. So that get title. What need to be done? What need to be done? Extends of taking with base class need to be get provide considering that. Okay. Now driver dot get title. Okay. Dot taking with equals of I'm giving the title. Condition is true. We need to print the statement title match. Condition fail, then taking with else. Need to be get print with the statement considering the title not match. So why exactly the title is not matching need to be understood. Further, we are taking care about in printing that driver dot get title. So in this way, we need to take care about in providing all that particular required methods according to that particular test case. According to that particular test case, you need to come up with in maintaining all the required functions here. Now, finally, you will come up with test script that you will be taking with test case 1. While working test case 1, as usual, the requirement need to generate results, HTML reports. How we can generate HTML reports? Using test-ng. So according to our understanding, while working test-ng, do we require main method? No, we doesn't require any main method. In a place of main method, what we are using? Annotations. As usual, taking with editors, creating one particular method, taking with static void that will provide method name. So need to take care about in providing that particular method name and then taking care about in performing all that particular test steps. I need to take care about test steps. So as usual, I need to open application and then log in, log out, close application. So for that, what I need to write here? Driver. For which class I need to create object? Online students. I want to perform the test steps. So according to the test steps, I want to access that method. So here what I need to do? So I want to open the application. Application open cheyali. To open the application, what I need to write here? Login page. Yeah. WebDriver dot driver. Yeah. According to this, in which class we written the method of open application? In which class we written? Base class. In the base class, we provided method name of open application. So I want to access that method. If I want to access that method, what I need to write here? What is that class name? Base class. You done the static methods. How you will access the static methods? By using class name. So what you will write there? Base class. You will be taking with base class dot open application. Once I got open the application, I need to verify the title. If I want to verify the title, what I need to write? Base class dot get title. You are already written that method. What is it? Verify page. Verify page dot. What is the method you written? Verify title. So according to that method, what it has been asking? Title. That is argument we passed it. We need to provide the title. I'm just giving wrong title. And then taking with login. If I want to perform login, what I need to do? What is it? Login page. Login page dot taking with login. What are the arguments it is asking? Username and password. We need to be get provide that particular username and then taking care about in providing that particular respective password. Need to be get provide that particular username and password. After that, we need to take care about again. I want to verify the title. If I want to verify the title, what I need to do? What is it? Verify page dot verify title. We need to be get provide that particular title. We need to be get take care about providing that particular title. Okay. And then I need to take logout. For logout, What do you need to write? Logout page dot taking with logout. Finally, I want to close application. Driver. Close, guys. What you will write? Base class dot taking with close application. See that different type of possibilities. Previously, when you work with hybrid framework, all the methods in one class. Because of that, it will be easy to create object for that class. But according to the POM, different methods in the different classes, not like an easy to create an object for all the classes here. Because of that, we maintain as static and then taking care about in accessing whenever it has been required. So in this way, we need to take care about in accessing that particular required methods here. So this is how we can take care about in designing that particular POM. Now we will take care about run as. What is that option? Test test. So by that, you can take care about in having that particular HTML report, and then you will continue in taking care about in implementing all the required features. What exactly the required features you want to be get implement, you can take care about in implementing all the required features. I can say that it will generate that particular report, considering that test run will be 1, failures is 0. Let's see that particular folder. What is a folder? Test hyphen output. If I just go to that particular workspace, you need to be able to see that particular report that will be taking with emailable report. So pass will be the 1, failure will be 0. Printing all the statement, title not match, printing that particular title, login completed and title match, taking care about logout and application close. So in this way, we need to be good taking care about in working with different type of frameworks while working in the real time. So while working in that particular real time, what kind of framework need to be get use it? It's totally depends on that client. It depends on that project. We are not having any specific rule, or we are not having any specific condition in implementing with that particular respective framework. According to that particular project, according to that particular project, you can take care about in following with any of the respective framework. But any framework you are working, you need to take care about in following with that particular respective framework standards. The conclusion, meaning of the framework, creation of folder structure with standard rules. In the regular standard rules, the first one, what is the first one? Design of automation framework. What is the second one? Design of automation script. You may work with any tool, any framework. The concepts will be the same. Just need to be get understand what exactly that particular framework standards need to be get followed. According to that, you need to take care about in utilizing that particular framework. So in this way, you guys need to be get take care about the practice of all that particular frameworks. The one you will be taking with the stringy framework and taking with hybrid framework and considering the POM. So this is what you need to be get take care about in utilizing that particular respective framework. It's not like framework will be completed as part of our requirement. We are stopping up to that particular one according to the real time. It is like continuous process as part of that requirement. They will take care about in continued all that particular frameworks part. So as part of our requirement, we are stopping up to this. That is what test engine framework, hybrid framework, and POM. Similar to this, lot of other frameworks will be there. We are not worried about those particular things as part of Selenium. Mainly, you need to be get comfortable in these three here. So take care about these particular frameworks. Spend with the more time in practicing the framework. Along with that, we have to take care about lot of other concepts need to be understand while working with the Selenium. Send that right with the new heading. Mention that Apache Maven, not Chapati. It is Apache. Write the heading Apache Maven and then make a note of the description up to that particular highlighted one. All online students also make a note of the description up to that particular highlighted one. And be prepared for automation exam for the next week. Date and time I will tell you that, but be prepared for automation exam. All the online students also, please take care about automation exam up to the frameworks, up to today's session. Up to today's session, you need to be prepared all the concepts of automation, including the core Java, need to take care about that preparation. All the online students also, please take with the plan according to that. Just take care up to that highlighted one. All the online students also, please take care about up to that particular highlighted one. Okay. Just only the first two lines. Then after that, so just continue from here. Just continue from here up to that highlighted one. What you written previously, just continue the same. What you written previously, just you can continue the same up to that particular highlighted one. All the online students also, please just continue up to that particular highlighted one. That particular three lines up to that highlighted one. All the online students also, please take care about up to that particular highlighted one. Done. Up to that highlighted one. So all these are the new concepts here. Up to the frameworks, up to the framework, the one part it will be done. So after this, we need to take care about all these concepts here. Lot of other small concepts will be there. This concept will be discussing on Monday. Tomorrow there is no session. Next session on Monday. Okay. Uh, uh, I will not be available for tomorrow. So the next session on Monday. So anyway, take some time for your preparations also. Please take care about that particular exam. So the next session I'll be taking on Monday. From Monday, continuous sessions will be there, including Sunday. Take with the plan according to that. Online students also. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there is no session. Next session on Monday. From Monday, that will be continued, including the Sunday also. Take with the plans according to that. All online students also. Don't be confused. Next session on Monday. Okay. Take the plan according to that. Please take the practice according to that. Carry on. Thank you.